Hi all, welcome back to my channel. A popular dry recipe prepared with soya chunks that are marinated, fried and tossed in a yummy spicy sauce mixture. So here is my recipe of preparing a soya chunks dry recipe, that is soya chili dry. I hope you like it, so please watch this video till the end. To begin, we need good quality soya chunks. Here I am taking 2 cups of it. Add water all over them to remove any dry impurities. Drain them and transfer to a pan. Add a little salt and enough water to boil them. Here I am boiling them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once done, turn off the flame. Let me show you how well it's cooked. To stop the cooking process, drain out the water and transfer them to cold water. Here I have taken room temperature water. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. Squeeze out the excess water and keep them aside. To prepare the marinade, take a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 eggs. Whisk to mix well. Add the soya chunks and mix well. Here I am also adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix well. Marinate this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now heat 2 tablespoons oil and 1 tsp of butter. Once hot, add the marinated soya chunks. Fry on high flame till golden brown. They are perfectly done. Remove them from the pan and keep aside. In the same pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and a little butter. 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic and 1 chopped green chilli. Fry till the garlic turns brown. Add finely chopped 1 onion. Cook till soft and aromatic. Add a small piece of sliced capsicum and saute for few seconds. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soya sauce and 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. Mix and fry till the oil is seen on the surface. Now add 1/4 tsp pepper powder and fry for few seconds. Add the fried soya chunks and mix well. Check for salt and add if needed. Stir fry on high flame for a minute and then garnish with coriander leaves or spring onions. Our soya chili dry is ready. Thank you so much for visiting and watching this video. Do like, comment and also subscribe to our channel to meet us again. See you soon with another video. Take care. Bye-bye.